Hello, teacher Silu and classmates. My name is Suyulei, a senior student from the Department of Power Mechanical Engineering. And today I'd like to talk about my final presentation. So this is my syllabus. I will first go through the reflection of this class. In this course, I learned how to read and understand research paper more efficiently. Before, I found academic papers really hard to understand, but with the tools our teacher introduced, like SciSpace, Napskin, and Notebook LM, I can now read paper faster, highlight key points, and even ask questions to AI about the article. The part that impressed me the most was how helpful these tools are. They make reading research feel less scary, and I believe this skill will really help me in the future, especially when I start doing my own research in my master degree. Yeah. So I will now introduce my research paper. As you know, today cities are facing big problems: climate change, energy shortage, and rising electricity use. Solar, wind, and other renewable energies can help, but in crowded cities, it's hard to install big systems. Many people think it's too expensive or too difficult. According to the paper, this there are many barriers in urban areas, like small rooftop, shading from tall buildings, and lack of policies. So I wanted to explore how can we use solar energy better in cities. Yeah, this is the method. For this project, I use a literature review. I read several research papers and reports about renewable energy in cities. I use I use SciSpace and Notebook LM to understand the article, summarize them, and compare the data. Yeah, and I focus on three things. First is the technology reading. Second, can people afford it? And third, are governments supporting it? Yeah. And as a result, I found that rooftop solar panel can supply up to 40% of a household electricity if installed properly. Yeah. Also, cities like Tokyo have shown that when the government gave money back, like a subsidy, more people install solar systems. Yeah. So the main idea is solar works well, but people need help to get started. Yeah. And next, go through the discussion. The technology is not the problem. The problem is cost, and sometimes people don't even know this option exists. So education and government support are very important. Also, if we combine rooftop solar with smart energy system, cities can become much more energy efficient. And next, conclusion. In short, I believe renewable energy, especially solar panels, can really help cities, but to succeed, we need good policies, better education, and affordable systems. This project showed me that engineers don't just design machines. We also need to think about society, people, and how to make changes possible. Now, so the last is the reference. This reference um, is the paper I found in the website. And finally, I would like to thank you, my teacher of this course. You tell us the tools, and that helped me most um, to realize the paper. And I feel more ready now for future research and project. Thank you.